still has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, northern Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, southern Perry County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Decaturville, or 13 miles southwest of Linden, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waynesboro, Linden, Clifton, and Flatwoods. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.